Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Joe, and welcome back to Z Fighter Performance Garage. On today's vlog, we're going to head out to Dripping Springs, Texas. We have a Datsun 240Z that we're going to go pick up. It's my favorite price, which is free. So we're going to head out there and pick it up. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. So we finally drug this thing out of a bunch of brush out here in Dripping Springs. Like I said, free. Definitely can see why. It's actually pretty solid. There's not too much rust. There's still, a little bit. You can see right around in here, but that's not too terrible. But pretty decent 240 bumper. This is a 71 Series 2, I guess, if you want to get down to it. 240Z. Yeah, that was fun. We didn't have a strut. That's pretty much surface rust up in here. Got a bunch of surface rust, but not too bad. I didn't see too much rot once we got it on the trailer, so surface rust, not bad. So not sure what we're going to do with this yet. We may make a race car out of it. We may actually put the entire car back together because the guy actually has the title for it, which I was quite surprised for a free car. Driving back. Definitely wasn't fun trying to pull that thing out, but at least we got it on there.
Yep.
So, I don't know. I guess in the comment section below, let us know if we should restore the car or make it a street car, or if we should make another race car out of it. 71 Datsun 240Z. Let us know. Well, it's finally at the shop. We're about to unload it and kind of go through the car. I need to get a strut on it and go from there. So we basically got the Datsun 240Z unloaded. It was pretty easy getting it off. Took maybe 20 seconds, whereas last night it took about an hour to get the thing on the trailer. And now we're about to load up the parts car, 84 300ZX Straman Convertible, and take it off to where it's gonna go. Excuse the wind noise, it's extremely windy today. And we don't feel like pushing, so we're gonna use the truck to pull the car on. So. Finally got rid of all that mound of dirt over there. They've pretty much finished up with what they were doing over here, which is definitely good. Are we having to ratchet strap?
Because my little dog don't have traction.
Oh man, it's too muddy out here. That's okay, we got to do it the hard working way, huh? That's all right though, it's working. Get it up and then we'll put the come along on it.
Try it again for round 2.
They're stubborn. They want to pull it on with the truck. They don't want to ratchet strap it, so or winch it or whatever. So we're gonna try again. Don't try this at home. This isn't very safe. finally loaded. Everything has been pulled off that we were going to need. So, final goodbye for the 1984 Nissan 300ZX Straman Convertible Turbo Z31. But that's okay. So, a quick update on the car. We went through the shop and found some of the parts that we can use on the car, and then acquired a couple other parts. So basically, we found a hood, got front headlight bucket covers. We thought we had a 240Z door, but we ended up having a 280 door. So found the rear triangle glass pieces, found several rear ends for it, and a couple transmissions. So not too shabby. Some seats. So hopefully find a few more pieces, hatch, and actually get some doors. Found another fender in the shop for that side. So hopefully we can at least get this thing into a solid roller. Did find a 240Z front strut. I'll be putting that together probably next weekend. But yeah, so looking a little bit more presentable. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you did like today's video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the like button, and hopefully we can start getting on the race car. The fuel pump is on its way, and that hopefully will be the next video, because definitely want to get that thing running, driving, and get it over to the race shop that we're taking it to get the floor pans fixed and the firewall fixed, as well as getting the fiberglass rear shell over to my buddy's dad, so that way we can get this car put back together and get it wrapped and move forward.